A lot of times when we give, there's a statement in English, we give people with strings attached. Meaning there's some expectation. I gave you something, you have to take me out for dinner. I won't say it to you, but if you don't take me out for dinner, then I'm going to be abus and qamtarira. When I see you, my face is going to not look very nice. I'm going to hold a grudge against you. Look at that guy. I took him out dinner. I drove him to this place. I paid for his fuel. And then he hasn't called me in 6 weeks. That's how we think, right? We always, whenever we give, there tends to be something attached, some expectation, some need. Okay? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives, He doesn't expect anything back from us. And this is the best form of giving. Who can tell me an ayah in the Qur'an where Allah asks us to give in the same way? Don't expect anything back. Surah Al-Ma'arij. Allah expects that we should give in such a way we don't expect anything in return. إِنَّمَا نُطْعِمُكُمْ لِوَجْهِ اللَّهِ لَا نُرِيدُ مِنْكُمْ جَزَاءً وَلَا شُكُورًا. Allah mentions Surah Al-Ma'arij, people who give when they feed others, they say to them, I'm feeding you for Allah's sake, I don't want you to thank me, I don't want anything back from you. It's all yours. This spirit of giving, this is the style that Allah gives in. When He gives, He doesn't expect anything in return. When He gives, He doesn't give out of a need of His own. Sometimes we give people out of guilt. You know, you're walking outside on the road, someone comes to you, said, you have some spare change. And you really don't want to give them, but you feel guilty. I have got some coins in my pocket, let me just get rid of them. Get out of my face. So you give it to them to get rid of them. How often do we do that? How often we're going to a wedding, we're going to somebody's house, we think, I can't go empty-handed, I've got to take something with me. You force yourself to begrudgingly stop at a supermarket and get the cheapest box of chocolates you can find to arrive at their door and say, here, I've got something for you. And the whole time in your heart you're thinking, gosh, why do I have to do this? This is not kareem, this is not karam, this is not honor, this is not dignity, this is not generosity. This is giving because you have to. Giving out of guilt. Giving in a way, in a style where you're expecting something in return but you're not going to say it. That is not the style in which Allah gives. When Allah gives, He gives with karam, with generosity, with no expectations. Think about it. Every human being on this earth is indebted to Allah. The most staunch atheist in this world who does not believe there is a creator and says that Allah is a fairy tale, Allah provides him with oxygen every day. Allah provides him with food. Allah provides him with his body, his bones, his nervous system, fully functioning. The oxygen he breathes, his lungs are functioning. And yet every single day he lies against Allah. This is karam. Allah's giving, Allah's not expecting anything in return from him. This is Al-Karīm.